Right. Hey guys. Welcome back to my YouTube. All right. So it's a Mother's Day weekend, right? Happy Mother's Day to all the mamas. Yup. Um, what I was gonna say. So y'all know, and I know y'all know because y'all been bearing with me. It's really, I'm not even gonna stop. You know what? Because I was gonna say something, and I'm like, I'm not even gonna speak that into the universe. The point is, I showed up. I showed up. It doesn't matter if I showed up the way I wanted to, but I showed up. I'm here with y'all. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So today I just want to show y'all the stuff that I bought from the supermarket in my neighborhood, which is very pricey. But I just wanted to grab some quick stuff because I'm going to make one of my plates that I sell. So I'm going to make one as an example so I can do videos and stuff. Plus, I felt like I wanted that for dinner. So we're going to just unpack my bag with an S, plural. I got two. It's from West Side Market. All right, so hold on. Right, I'm going to try something new. We're going to do it from this angle. All right, so I bought some milk. Y'all know this milk, right? The Khalifa Farms almond milk. Yes, it's the best almond milk you can get. Especially my lactose intolerant people. My vegans, y'all already know what time it is. Then I got some canola oil. I was contemplating between canola or corn oil, but I was like, we gonna fry in some canola oil today. Right? Then I got me some bananas. I wanted them a little bit more brown because I'm gonna put them in the freezer. These are for my smoothie. My smoothies. So we gonna put these to the side. As I'm unpacking my bag, I realized I forgot something, but it's all right. And I got some potatoes because we gonna make our mashed potatoes from scratch. Cause duh. Okay, what else? Bag number 2. I got some chips. Hal's Kettle, New York Kettle chips. The sweet and chili flavor. Don't let nobody tell you it's a better flavor than this one. Sweet chili is the one. Yeah. I shouldn't even be having chips, but you know, it's Mother's Day weekend. Hello. Hello. And I got me some shrimp avocado rolls. Yeah. My supermarket downstairs makes them fresh every day, so you know. This the junk bag. I got some dark chocolate coated pretzels. I was gonna get milk chocolate, but you know they said dark chocolate is better for you, and we doing things that are better for us, right? Right. I got 2 bags of spinach because this one bag be cooking up like for one person, so I got 2 bags. There we go. We got our veggies. I got some salmon chunks because I didn't feel like cutting the salmon myself, and my supermarket does that. So we got some salmon chunks. That's going to be a part of our meal. And I got some butter. I said butter. It's butter. But, you know, I'm from New York, so we say butter. Butter. Y'all know what I mean. All right, so that's the unpacking of my bag. And we going to get this food going. Okay, guys, can y'all hear me? I hope so. I hope y'all can hear me. These headphones may be acting funny. But this is just to explain. I don't got nothing to say, y'all. So yeah, if you want to order a plate, Friday and Saturdays are my day. And I will link the menu right over here somewhere, or maybe even over here. It's going to be on one of these sides, or up here, or wherever it fits. And also I'm going to put it in the description box with the phone number. So if you are in the New York City, New Jersey area, or if you plan on visiting New York City, I am in the Manhattan area. Did I say that right? Manhattan. But yeah, so we're going to do this. What is it? It's salmon bites, mashed potatoes, garlic mash to be exact. And you wanna know what's so crazy? I have to run to the store because I forgot to get some what is called heavy whipping cream. So y'all gonna have to come with me real quick. But everything else is prepared and ready. The potatoes are still boiling. So yeah, let's go to the store. Thank God it's just right downstairs. We'll be already. Put your jacket on. Oh, you probably don't need a jacket. The weather's nice. Come on. Okay, come on, let's go. I'm on here. You on here? All right, guys. So I'm going to try out. Right? Can y'all see me? Can y'all hear me? Mm, well, let me show y'all this meal. I know my dog is hating. Ooh, 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 y'all. No, okay. Can y'all see this? Wait, I feel like the light. Let me turn this light down so y'all can see this. Hold on. Okay. I feel like the light is so bright. Like that it's like washing out. Maybe it's the white behind me. Maybe we need to change the background. Is that what y'all telling me? Or can y'all see this? Okay, so I turned the light all the way down because I'm just like, okay, y'all gotta see this. So what we have here is salmon bites, garlic mashed potatoes that we made from scratch because that's what we do, and some spinach, some sautéed spinach to be exact. And we're gonna try it out. Okay? All right. Hmm. This is it. I would buy it. I would order this. Order it. You won't regret it. TTYL.